fam. I'm finally doing some badly needed maintenance on MOYA. Well, not badly, but maintenance time. It's time for an oil change. So I'm going to get restarted that. I'm going to change it to, as usual, to a full synthetic. That seems to be the best thing for. So I've already gone through and removed the drain plug. Now just letting it drain. And so yeah, once I do that, I'll put the drain plug back on, move to the other side. Can't see it, but right on the other side of the drain pan, of the pan, oil pan, is the oil filter. So I'll swap that out, and then I'll add the new oil. One thing that's also important to do is that the drain plug has a pretty much a collapsible type O-ring or drain gasket that is good for one use only. So once you've used it, it crushes down, and you don't want to keep reusing that because then you'll probably get an oil leak. So I went on Rock Auto and got several of these replacement gaskets, and so each time I do an oil change, I'll just go and just replace the gasket off of the drain plug. So here's the gasket right here, and I just have to fish the old one out. Here's a new one. Okay, as you saw through time lapse, I don't know if you did or not, but I basically took the old filter out, prepared the new filter, put a little bit of oil in it, put it up in there, and so now I'm going to go and fill it with oil now. Okay, the last step now, since I've filled it with oil, it's up to the level it should be, is I'm going to start her up and check for leaks underneath. And then I'll probably just run it for just a little bit, let it set, and then check the levels again once oil has had a chance to settle back down, and just maybe top it off if I need to. But then after that, it'll be a wrap. Looking for is any leaks coming from either the oil filter or from the oil plug. I don't see any, so that's a great sign. So now I'll just let it sit there and idle for just about a minute or so, let the oil get all up to the engine, and then I just let it settle back down, and then maybe tomorrow or whatever I'll come and check it before I drive it, of course, and then top it off if I need to. There you have it, fam. One oil change for our little motorhome on a Chevrolet chassis. Thank goodness for that, because I'm used to changing oil on my Silverado. All right.